There's no number on this one, but this is the Permobil seat feet tilt controller. I have this hooked up on an M300. There's no damage to this one, and the light is a little well, no, the lights, there's nothing wrong with that. This just tells you that it's not in the green, so you can't move. So you gotta adjust the seat lower for this to turn green so you can actually move the chair. So I'm gonna be testing these features to show you guys that this is a working unit. So I'm gonna push it up for that elevating. Down. The seat tilt. So you do have to push this button a little harder for it to work. And then for these two, you actually got this very tricky also, and I've noted that in the description. You also gotta play with the buttons a little bit because they are a little sticky. So it's already tilted all the way back. Now I gotta tilt it back up. So I am putting some pressure on this. But it does work. This for the feet. See how that turned yellow and then it went back to green? Again, it's just showing us that. See how it went back to yellow? So you have to adjust it for it to be green. There it is. All right, so this unit does work. I can adjust this back to green, but because I do have the battery sitting up there, I don't want the chair to smash it. So it's just a matter of adjusting it to your application. Unit does work.